I was just thinking the other day about how much I've taught myself on this channel so far in the past 2 years. I mean, when I first started, I did not think that I was going to learn this much or be able to edit audio, do all the video editing, and it seemed like an impossible task, or it just didn't seem like it was possible at that point. And now looking back on it, it doesn't seem like it was that hard really. And like now it doesn't, at least. But I was looking around at different audio mixers for this channel to make better sound, because I want to live stream and have better sound quality when I'm live streaming. The one I have right now is a Focusrite, and it's a second generation, and it does good. But the problem that I have is that it's not really made for streaming. I mean, it does okay, but I can't change the EQ and a lot of the other settings. I mean, all I can change is the gain, and that's pretty much it. It's got a line in, a line out, and then on there's a little knob that changes the direct monitor and the volume when I'm playing it back and listening to it on my headphones. And I mean, it works okay, but it's not really something that works all that great for live streaming. But anyways, I have here with me the Rotring Isograph, and this is the 0.35. You've probably seen it in many of my videos, and I've done quite a few doodles with this here pen. But today we're going to be doing a drawing again with our good old Rotring Isograph and our Moleskine Sketchbook. So as you can see here, this is my Moleskine Sketchbook. I'm getting most of the way done with it, but I do have a few pages left, as you can see here. Just a couple left. I mean, not really that many, but yeah, we'll get there eventually. But anyways, I've got my Rotring Isograph here, and it's kind of not too late. It's after 10 p.m. at the moment, and I was going to record this earlier, but there's always people driving by with really loud cars, or there's trains going by, and it's always at the moments that I want to record something, and I don't know why that is. Maybe it's just by chance, but who knows? Maybe I'm overthinking it. I gotta be positive. But anyways, let's go ahead and start on this doodle, shall we? A lot of the times when I go to pick a topic to talk about for a video, I'm kind of just stuck. I'm not really sure what to talk about. And so I ramble on talking about random things, and sometimes it's not really related to the topic or the drawing itself. But anyways, my day's gone pretty good. And this drawing here that I've done in my Moleskine Sketchbook with a 0.35 Rotring Isograph, this drawing took me about an hour and a half. No, probably 2 hours to complete. And I was using my other camera that I've got to put it at a different angle. Now that I've got my whole setup all organized and all of that. But yeah, I don't really remember what I was going to even talk about, so I guess right now I'll just pick something to talk about, and I'll just go from there, seeing as I've got several minutes to ramble. But yeah, I was really tired today. I don't know why. I woke up with a lot of energy this morning, and then I was really tired later on during the day, and that was at only 4 p.m. And yeah, but the sketchbook is getting close to being done. I've got about maybe 15 pages left, somewhere around there. and I'll be doing a review of it whenever I get it completed, but it's been fun drawing it so far, and I've come a long way in it. It felt like it was going to be forever until I got this sketchbook done, but drawings seem to go a lot faster when you just have fun and create, rather than worrying about trying to get done or to rush to get through it or to complete it. And I've noticed that my drawing has improved as well by just drawing and just starting something, rather than worrying about the end result or how it's going to be. But yeah, what was I even talking about? Oh yes, my day. My day's gone pretty good. I've still got to rearrange some things in my other 2 rooms, and then, yeah, fold my laundry and go through that. But not a whole lot of anything really exciting right now at the moment. Mostly just working on things, so when I think about what to talk about on the spot, I don't really know what to talk about, so maybe in the future I should probably plan the topic to talk about rather than just rambling. And yeah, but as you can see here, I've got in the background my keyboard, my Focusrite audio interface, and that is the one that I'm planning on upgrading possibly in the future, because when I'm live streaming I can't control the EQ, the compressor, and all that. So I'm looking around and there's so many buttons on them, and then I realized that all those extra buttons are for the other channel, the different audio channels that are for different mic or line in or line out. And so I'm actually not using any more than 10 buttons and knobs, and most of them I already understand how to use, so it's not too complicated. Although I have to figure out if I want to get an audio mixer that is powered already, or if I should get one that is unpowered and buy my own amp for it. Although buying an extra amp for it will cost extra money, but I've heard that by having an unpowered one and getting my own amp, I can spend less on the mixer but get better quality, even though I gotta buy an extra amp, so it ends up costing more by a little bit. But not too worried about that right now. Just working on what I can and doing what I can with my doodles, and just making the art the best I can with the equipment that I have, and using what I've got to put it out there and to share it with everybody else out there that wants to see it. And at the moment I'm trying to see if I can get to maybe 1,000 subscribers by January 1st. I'm not sure if it's going to happen, but regardless if it does or not, I'm just having fun, and my focus is to just keep doing what I'm doing, try to help others, and keep improving my drawing. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you'd like to donate to this channel, check out the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy any artwork from this channel, check out the links below as well. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.